How to add text to a video in CapCut on Android. This tutorial shows you how to place and customize text directly on your video clips. First, open CapCut on your Android device and tap on New Project. After that, select the video you want to edit from your gallery and tap Add. From there, once your video is loaded on the timeline, tap on Text at the bottom toolbar. Right here, tap on Add Text to create a new text element. Next up, type whatever you want to appear on your video using the keyboard. Moving on, once you're done typing, tap the check mark to confirm. From here, you'll see your text appear on the video. Tap and drag it to reposition it wherever you want on the screen. After that, to customize the text, tap on it and explore the options at the bottom. You can change the font, color, style, and size to match your video. Following this, tap on Effects to add animations to your text. Choose from options like Fade In, Typewriter, or any other style you like. Moving on, to adjust how long the text stays on screen, go to the timeline at the bottom and drag the edges of the text clip to shorten or extend its duration. Finally, once everything looks good, tap the Export button at the top right to save your video with the text applied. Hope this helped you out. If it did, give it a like, subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, and tap the bell for updates. See you in the next one.